We have all been there. You finish a complex hard surface model, but as soon as you triangulate it for export, the shading goes completely haywire. Star Connect by Ruben Messerschmidt is the solution to those triangulation nightmares. Instead of letting Blender's default algorithms guess how to connect your vertices, this add-on introduces a dedicated Star Connect mode that gives you full creative control. It is specifically designed to handle bevels. You can bridge bevels faster than ever, split large angles to avoid those nasty steep triangles, and even handle cylinders with a single click. What's really cool is that it feels just like native Blender. It has a familiar selection system and a full undo-redo stack, so you won't feel like you are learning a whole new software. If you are just looking for a faster way to join vertices, the basic version is actually free. But if you want the Star Connect mode for professional bevel detection and smart triangulation, the Pro version is where the real magic happens. It is a massive time saver for anyone preparing models for game engines or high-end rendering. Click the link to check it out and fix your shading issues today.